Hello, Chef here. Just another real quick review for you. This is the Deluxe Cajun Injector, and we use this for a bunch of different things. You can use it for turkey, you can use it for steaks, pork, all kinds of stuff. Directions are included. I really like the quality of this one. It comes with stainless steel injector needle, and you can store it right inside there like we've done here. You put your ingredients in here, whatever they might be, like sugar, spices, brandy, whatever. You give it a twist like this. You attach the stainless steel tip like this, and you're good to go. There you go. Okay, that's the Deluxe Cajun Injector, and you can get it responsive. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.
Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little lighter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable in general. So I wanted to show you those things. I'm going to oil these boards, and I'll be right back.